And so I think it's really important not only to see community as, participants in the process, but really equal partners in the research process from the beginning of co-designing what the research project and the protocol should look like and how that should be implemented, and also for them to be involved in the next phase of the research, which is, what comes from that research and what's going to be used from that research.
We always talk about our champions. The champions make our work possible. There are advocates in the community. They are those trusted partners. It could be cooperative extension, it could be a local community official, it could be somebody from an advocacy group. But we have a long-standing relationship with them, and that is just a critical component of the work we do. They make the introductions and they build that trust.
Yeah, when finding, especially a community-driven story, the context is using the community, it's, within the name. So, we can easily talk about, what's happening in said communities and give more of a surface level view of what's happening. But if you're not actually on the ground talking to people that are, one, impacted by it, two, that are doing, the work, the groundwork to, focus on their community, and three, actually talking to an actual human, I feel like it loses a lot of the storytelling aspect.
But we realize that we need to have the infrastructure to be able to ensure that, as the organizations that we work with are engaging, parents and caregivers around research questions or data collection, that we have a digital online infrastructure to be able to collect, process, analyze, and share that story back with community.